Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate Google Assistant on Xreal Beam Pro. To activate Google Assistant, press and hold on the power button. Then it will activate the Google Assistant. You can also click on Try Now to try Gemini, which is a new version of an assistant which is powered by AI. And to use Google Assistant, you can just ask it a question like that. What's the weather in Kraków?
It's 71 and cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a high of 71 and a low of 51.
And it answers your questions just like that. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.